Happy New Year. Hey guys, good morning. How was your night? So, as it is the 31st of December 2020, I decided to work out today. For it to be the last workout of the year, 2020. So, what are you thankful for God for? Me? Most importantly, I thank God for life. Like, this year has been a roller coaster, but I'm here, healthy and wealthy. Life is far more important than anything, because now person with their life they hustle. So I'm thankful to God for being alive this end of 2020 and entering 2021 as in stronger. So today I'm working out. It's been long. I worked out since 25th. I haven't worked out. So today I'm doing some skipping today. I just want to get up to 1K skip today, and let's see what tomorrow holds. So have you been working out? Have you been eating well? Me, I haven't really been eating well, but I kind of like watch what I eat, but I know I eat everything that I see. So have you worked out? When last did you work out? How has your diet been? And how is your activities? So I will show you the rest of my day. So I'll see you. Bye. What do you say?
The baby goat was trying to suck the big mama goat's wee, and it was disgusting. That's what we saw yesterday.
Okay, the baby goat went to go and suck the mother wee.
Yes.
No, that's not the wee. The baby goat is sucking breast.
Oh.
Yes, that's the mother. How LOTANNA used to suck breast, that's how the baby goat is sucking breast. Ajuju, voila. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is OGOM'S, a new Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, but currently in Colombia for Xmas. Okay, so we want to make masala soup and small jollof. So we're already prepping the chicken for the soup downstairs in the general kitchen. So while I want to prep the meat here and the rice, so let's get right into it. So what's our chicken? This one is wings. Using back. What's that rice? So here is our chicken boiling. I put that fresh pepper inside. I don't know where I learned that from. So yes, our rice is boiling too. So let's put it. I am going to hey. Make it up. I take lipstick in a eye pencil. Then a foundation. When you came, when came one.
Hey,
oh, so bad you don't know. Lotanna, clap for Jesus again. Lotanna, clap for Jesus. Yay! Clap for Jesus. I should clap. Okay. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for always coming back to come and watch me. I so much appreciate it. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my world. Welcome to OGOM'S series. You're not going to regret it here. So today, it's another Village Chronicles of outing. Became for a wedding. So me, na follow they do. And I have this makeup done by Dim. Is he niece? They call them or nephew. I don't know, but she did this makeup for me. She's good. And I have this clothes, though it's a belly clothes. Don't need to eat anywhere. How? And we are currently at Newi for the wedding. Okay, so I'm here to pack calories. We've been eating. I have been eating way overboard. I've been eating recklessly and all that, but I still mind what I eat anyway. But I know I eat. So how is the eating at your side? Are you watching what to eat? Have you been working out? I haven't even worked out since I came back. I haven't. Every morning I wake up. Oh my God, I'm always very, 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 very tired. But I'll try as much as possible to work out one of these days. So how is the eating at your side? Are you eating normally, or you're eating like a hoodlum like me, like a thief? But let's just remember to try and spread love, show support.
Ladies and gentlemen, another of Mr. and Mrs. is in the back. Yes, and welcome, sir.
Hi everyone, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Biko Eweliwe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share my videos, and please don't forget to click on that small bell you can see to get notified whenever I post my video. Happy New Year everyone. It's the 31st night, and what a way to celebrate and to thank God for being alive all through the year. Bye.